Have you ever dreamed of working as a pharmacist in Ireland? Whether you're from India, Middle East or Asia or anywhere outside the European Union, your path to becoming a registered pharmacist in Ireland starts with one crucial step, the PSI Equivalency Exam. In this video, we are going to walk you through everything you need to know about the process, from eligibility, exam structure and syllabus to the new 2025 changes that could help you to skip the exam altogether. So grab a notebook and let's get started. The PSI Equivalency Exam is a professional licensing examination conducted by the Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland, an official body that regulates the pharmacy practice in Ireland. Now, if you are a pharmacist trained outside the European Economic Area, that includes countries like India, Nigeria, UAE and others, you are required to prove your education and experiences meet the Irish standards before you are allowed to practice. And that's exactly what PSI Equivalency Exam does. It is your gateway to becoming professionally recognized and legally registered to work as a pharmacist in Ireland. So, who can apply? If you hold any of the following degrees from any non-EU or EEA country, that includes Bachelor of Pharmacy, Master of Pharmacy, Doctor of Pharmacy, then yes, you are eligible. But it's not a direct exam application. You first go through a training and qualification recognition process managed by the PSI. This process includes a detailed document review, a holistic evaluation of your pharmacy training and experience. If required, then you will be invited to take the PSI Equivalency Exam, a test designed to ensure you are on par with Irish standards. Once you complete these steps, you will get a certificate of qualification, which is your ticket to registering and working as a pharmacist in Ireland. Let's break down the step-by-step process. Step 1. Qualification recognition. PSI will assess whether your degree and work experiences match the Irish standards. Step 2. Registration. Once your qualification is approved, you will get a certificate which allows you to officially register as a pharmacist. And just to clarify, English language skills are not assessed during the qualification stage, but you must prove your proficiency during the registration stage. The PSI Equivalency Exam is made up of two parts. The first part is MCQ, which is multiple choice questions. You will get 80 questions to answer in 150 minutes. The paper is split into three main sections: 40 questions on clinical pharmacology, 20 questions on pharmaceutical calculations, and 20 questions on basic sciences. And around 5 questions are typically included on Irish pharmacy laws like dispensing regulations, prescription requirements, etc. And the second part is OSCE, which is Objective Structured Clinical Examination. This is a practical style test that assesses your ability to handle real-life situations like counseling a patient, dealing with prescription errors, or even communicating with other healthcare professionals. Both these tests are designed to simulate real-world situations to ensure you are ready for Irish pharmacy practice. Let's talk about the syllabus. The PSI Equivalency Exam covers 5 major domains, which are Pharmaceutical Sciences, which focuses on medicinal chemistry, pharmacology, pharmaceutics and pharmacognosy. Clinical Pharmacy, this is case-based, requiring you to apply the drug knowledge to treatment plans and decision-making. Pharmacy Practice covers the daily task of compounding, dispensing and patient counseling. Law and Ethics, you must know about the Irish laws relating to pharmacy, prescription regulations, controlled substances and EU directives. Communication skills, this is very crucial. Pharmacists must be able to clearly and compassionately communicate with patients and other healthcare teams. The 2025 revision of PSI recognition process introduced a more streamlined and fair system. Here is how it works. Instead of a mandatory adaptation period like before, PSI now conducts a holistic assessment of your qualifications and experience. 2 outcomes are possible. Part A, exam exemption. If your qualifications are deemed equivalent, you may be exempt from the examination altogether. Part B, exam required. If gaps are found, then you will be required to take a full MCQ or OSCE or only MCQ or OSCE depending on what's missing. And here is something else. PSI has now introduced stage-wise fees. So you only apply for the steps relevant to your case. And that's your complete roadmap to become a pharmacist in Ireland through PSI Equivalency Exam. The process might seem lengthy, but with proper planning, preparation and support, you can make it through and start a fulfilling pharmacy career in Ireland.